5 dogs from a house fire in High Point this afternoon. The fire ignited on Ingleside Drive. Only the dogs were inside. It's not clear what caused the fire.
Welcome back to Living Inside the Triad. So we already know earlier today I have received a call from my newest clients, and we're here to sell their house that actually burned down. And by the looks of it, you can tell that there's significant damage in there. Let's take a look at the inside and see what's going on here, and to see if we can come up with a good strategy and a game plan to get this thing sold. You can tell that there's significant leftover belongings here. This glass have blown out, so you could tell that there's some issues here. Let's take a look at the side. I think the fire actually started. Before we go inside, let's look at what actually caused the house to catch fire. So what they told me was there's a reflection that came from the neighbor's house, that because it was so hot outside and because of the heat from that window left a reflection on a little bit of their siding. And what happens is it just happened to spark a flame, and then it just happened to burst in flames. And what she also informed me was she had just left the house, so not even 10 minutes from them leaving the house had caught fire. So glad they were safe and they made it out in time, even though they didn't expect this tragedy to happen. But man, look at this. They had animals here still. It was a lot going on that day from what she informed me, but yeah, let's take a look at the inside and see what kind of damage is left in there. Now, since this fire has happened, there's been a lot of rain, and I can only just imagine what type of rain is left, what kind of water damage is left in this house. Actually, before I go in the house, let me actually grab my mask. That is smart. And let me grab some boots just in case. So I'm probably going to sound a little muffled because I have the mask on. But man, look at this. So you can see that the sheetrock has already failed because it was soaked. Before we even go upstairs, let's just look and analyze everything down here. Wow, all their belongings. Just imagine leaving your house and your dream home, and your dream home catches on fire that quick. So the floorboards are still wet up top. You can see from all that water that's been soaking. All the sheetrock is down here. So obviously there's significant water damage here. I even see mosquitoes flying around here. You can see that smoke. Look at all that smoke. Look at all that smoke. Wow. Now, I know this seller has expressed to me that they didn't want to take the money to refix the house. They would rather pay off all their debt, clean the slate, and just start from the beginning with a home that they truly want, that fits all of their needs and expectations. So they want a fresh start. That's a beautiful thing. Look at this kitchen. Nice size kitchen. Look at all this. All their belongings. Wow. Man. We got a strategy on our hand. Oh man, look at this. Look at this backyard. Beautiful, comfortable living space. They definitely had it set out to be, what they wanted to be, but man, look at this grass. Look at all the belongings they had to leave behind. Got dog kennels. Wow. Look at this significant damage. Watch your step right there. Look at that. All that siding is burnt down. Windows busted out. Wow. This is an investor special for sure. Wow. Watch your step. Wow. I know the garage is over here. The garage door is slightly messed up. Wow. This side of the house is pretty safe. But you can see the mold starting to come in from all the moisture, the improper ventilation and everything, so. It's a good looking hot water heater tank over there. All right, let's check out upstairs if we can get up there. I know the floorboards is kind of wet, but let's see what's going on up there. All that water sitting down. Wow. Now I don't want to walk too much into this because I don't want it to fall, but I definitely want everybody to see the damaging to the belongings that was already left here. The most important thing is we're going to get this thing sold. And we're going to find the right buyer for it. We probably want to grab the drone and fly it through here if we can. Got an opening coming in right here. Take a good look, aerial view of everything. Wow. Everything you ever owned left behind. Let's go. Got us a project. We're gonna get this thing sold. You can feel the moisture when you come and step outside. You can feel the fresh air hitting you. It doesn't really feel congested in there, but upstairs feels a lot more open because of the opening of the roof. But definitely downstairs you can feel you can feel that water moisture there. So it's important. Let's help this family out. Let's get this thing sold.